Hi, so I thought I'd do a quick video on how camera constraints and offset work. As you can see here, I have a nav cam that follows the player, and as you could see there, you could see the outside of the screen. I can see below the sprite, the background sprite here, what happens in the background, and it moves way too far to the left as well. I can see too much of this area. So to fix that, you go into Unity, you select the navigation cam that you are currently following the player. Then you move to the extreme left or right, depending on where you want to start. You check for the horizontal movement because I want to constrain my movement a bit to this area. I hit the constrain button. It defaults to 0.0, which means it will never move. It will be centered to the start position of the camera. That's not what I want. I want to change the minimum distance. So I'm going to put this to maybe minus 0.75. That's fine. On the other side. Oops, sorry. Let's move, see if I can get out again. There we go. Maybe I can't actually. Okay, so I'm going to have to move this a little bit. Here we go. So I move as far right as I can. I can even move a bit further, and I start fiddling with this. As you can see, there's the edge, and I slowly move it to I can't see it. There. So now I have decided my left and right constraints. As you can see, this scene in particular only moves in at one axis. It doesn't have any depth to it that the character can use. So I can use the vertical offset to move the camera up a bit in relation to the player. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to switch this up a tiny bit, like there. So there, now I have the perfect position for my game cam. If I stop the game now, all of this is going to disappear. So what I need to do is I do copy component, kaboom, stop the game, and then I hit paste component as values. And now when I hit play again, it has saved my constraints. Oh, there's a little tiny error, but as you can see, now it works. So that's basically the quick and dirty how to do the offset and the constraints of a camera. The values is different for each one. It depends on your unit settings in Unity. So I have a unit setting for 100, and I have a very tiny resolution, so I need to do very tiny adjustments. If you have a higher one, high resolutions, you will need to use different numbers than mine. So yeah, hope this helps.